this video, we have multiple things going on. Number one, we were asked during a walkthrough to pick up this 2-pack shaker of Milwaukee FASTBACK knives because of the price. These are some of the best utility knives in the business. And at this price, some of you said there's no way that these discounted units are as good as the normal FASTBACK you get at full price. So you asked us to pick them up, open them up, and let you know if you should spend your hard-earned money. The second thing happening in this video is there's a secret. And if you can pick up this secret, timestamp it, we will pin your comment. You will be at the top of the comment section. It's pretty important stuff. Pick it out for the entire Very Cool gang. We got to get these unboxed or unpackaged, uncardboarded right after this message from our sponsor, BCG Construction. Head on over to the merch store where you can get FASTBACK utility knives at a discount. Psych, you can't get that, but you can get a hat, hoodie, t-shirt, sweatshirt. Links will be down below. All right, we have two style of Milwaukee knives. I'm gonna tell you, the price is unreal on these. This is product number 48-22-1503. Link will be in the description to get you to this super fantastical deal. Telling you right now. You'll see on these, we have two style of knives. This is very important. We have this FASTBACK, which has multiple features and functions we're gonna go over, but the one that you asked for the most is definitely blade storage. This one will hold 5 additional blades, as well as we have in here an alternate version. Double your pleasure, double your fun. If you ain't picking up these FASTBACKs, you are mighty dumb. Because in here you got the compact FASTBACK as well. This is twice as nice for the price. You'll see here, quick blade change, blade holder. When we say blade holder, we're talking about the blade of your tape measure, okay? In this kit, you have the FASTBACK with blade storage. It's product number 48-22-1502. And then we have the compact is 48-22-1500. If you wanted to price those knives individually, you will see that it makes no sense. Even if these were literally going to be throwaways, at this price, it's nuts. A lot of you were saying that the individuals seem better. I don't know. We got to get these unboxed, though. These packages are... Oh, I have my pocket knife. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? Oh. I'm gonna tell you right now. Ooh. Maybe some of you were on to something. Okay, opening, not bad. Closing, they just doesn't want to close. I will tell you this much. If you get in tight right here and on the other side, you will see that it looks as though they're using phosphorus bronze bushings. Really nice. I mean, they definitely make for slippery deployment. We have a seatbelt cutter or a rope cutter, whatever you want to call it, here at the back. We have wire belt clip, which I like. I think that they're nice. Deployment's definitely getting better as I use it. Little maybe unknown feature we talked about earlier was the blade hook. I personally, always marked and then come back and cut. But Milwaukee, because they like to work with their users, you will see here it has a blade hook. So instead of doing 2 motions where you'd mark, then come back and cut, this potentially is a big time saver. Your blade storage is here at the bottom. It's pretty secure, snaps into place. See that snapping? Blade change is simple. You're able to reverse your blades. Pretty secure. So the blade holder is magnetic. Pretty cool. Nice. I'm gonna tell you right now, immediately, for blade deployment and close, closing, the compact definitely seems nicer. This is weird. It's just not as positive, it seems. Sometimes it works really good, sometimes it doesn't. I'm sure you'll all let me know what I'm doing wrong down in the comments section below. But the full size with more functions, deployment's not as positive. The compact is pretty doggone awesome. This one has a little tether here for a lanyard if you wanted to put it on there. We have the pocket clip. Both are deep carry, so you're only going to have very small amount sticking out of your pocket. I mean, it almost disappears into your pocket. It's pretty nice. You have that blade hook. You'll get hooked on these Milwaukee knives. And personally, of the two, immediately, like I don't necessarily need all the extra doodads of the 4822 1502. I prefer the 1500. I like the more compact knife. But leave it down in the comments section below. Which one do you prefer of these two knives? Now here's the deal. Don't really matter because they come in a 2-pack and the price is right. So get on them. Also, don't forget about the little secret we discussed earlier. Leave the comment down below with the timestamp and your comment could get pinned. Show the very cool gang that you were paying attention.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.